In this video, I will show you how to convert text into number and remove this error in Excel. So very simple and easy way. Write 1 in any cell. Now Control C. Now select your data where you have this error and paste special, and here select multiply, then click on OK. So this way you can remove this error. Another way, you can apply this setting one by one. Also click here, so you can convert to number like this, or you can multiply with 1 by copying the 1, then multiply with 1 in the paste special, so you can convert your text into number and you can resolve this error. Thanks for watching.